Hi everyone. All right, let's solve this probability using combination method. I hope you know what is combination. That is selection. And you know probability, what we do is random selection, okay? So let's apply that combination. If this is the first time you're hearing combination, please listen very attentively to get the thing very okay. So now in combination, the formula for combination n combination r is the same thing as n factorial all over r factorial bracket n minus 2 all factorial. This is the formula for combination. What is n? N is the total number of the ball in this place, while r is the particular one that you are asked to find, or the one that picked, sorry, that ball that is picked. Look at here now, they said if two balls picked at random, that one that picked at random is the R. Okay, so now if we apply that, first of all, let us know how many balls are there. We have number of blue is 3, number of reds is 4, and number of white is also 3. Okay, now the total number of the ball is 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 plus this, they are 10. Okay, so now this is the total number, and that thing is what we call the n. Okay, all right, so now since they said 2 is picked at random, what do we do? We now apply this formula. Step 1, let us use 10 factorial all over r factorial. What is r factorial? Since 2 balls is picked at random, I have 2 factorial bracket n remain 10 minus 2 all factorial. Okay, so now you can see that this is equal to 10 factorial over 2 factorial. 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial. And you know what factorial is. When you have 10 factorial, what it means is that 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 10 factorial. But we're not going to use all these things now because we have 8 factorial at denominator. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we'll say 10 factorial is something as 10 times 9 times 8 factorial. I will stop at 8 factorial because I see there's 8 factorial here at the denominator, right? So I will now have 2 factorial here, 8 factorial. I can easily cancel this with this. Is that clear? So now I will now left with 10 times this is 90, right? And I will have 90 over 2 factorial simply means 2 times 1. So this is over 2. You get it? So now this one, this, I'll have 45. So 45 is the total number of required, that is possible outcome. This 45 is called total number of possible outcome. Okay, now let us look at the required outcome now, the one that they picked from, which is the blue. Okay, total number of required outcome now is, we use the combination as blue is one we're talking about, and blue is 3, we can call it 3, and 2 is picked, combination 2. You get it? Which is the same thing as 3 factorial all over 2 factorial bracket 3 minus 2 factorial. Did you get it now? So what do you have there? Now 3 minus 2 is 1. That one has gone. So now 3 factorial there should be 3 times 2 times 1. Whereas 2 factorial is 2 times 1. This one, 3 minus 2 is already 1. So nothing is there. So 1 cancel, this cancel. You get it now. What we have is 3. So the total number of required outcome now is 3. While number of total outcome is 45. Have you seen it now? And probability of blue ball, both blue ball, which is the question, is number of required outcome all over number of what? Total outcome. What is required outcome? 3. So you have 3 over 45. Did you get it now? So what you have, 3 here is 1. 3 here is 15. So the answer is 1 over 15. Interesting, right? All right. Bye.